Hello, today you're looking at an Ingersoll Rand 7.5 horsepower screw compressor brought to you by Lanco. This unit has 5,172 hours on it. It is in good working condition, as you can hear. It does come with an 80-gallon air tank underneath, and the overall dimensions of this unit are 71 inches long by 29 inches wide by 56 inches high. It does have a rating of 150 psi and is wired for 230 volts. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.